Apple is anticipated to unveil its next-generation iPhone 15 series in September of this year. Every year, the company releases new phones around the same time, and the successor to the iPhone 14 series is expected to arrive in around 2 months. This year's event will most likely include 4 models: the iPhone 15, Plus, Pro, and Pro Max. But we'll look at the regular versions here. According to the leaks thus far, the iPhone 15 and its Plus variant will get 3 significant advancements over its predecessors. According to leaks, the ordinary models in the iPhone 15 series will receive Apple's new Dynamic Island feature. This suggests that the flagship phone will sport a punch-hole display design, although there has been no formal confirmation of this. This design is presently restricted to iPhone 14 Pro models. However, this may alter this year, as has been speculated for some time. This will also help Apple distinguish the new model from prior models, since the company was widely chastised last year for selling the same design on regular models for years. Furthermore, the leaks indicate that the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus would have a frosted glass back with a matte surface, similar to what we saw on last year's iPhone 14 Pro models. The regular versions are believed to contain 48-megapixel back cameras, as seen on the Pro models of the iPhone 14 series. This would be a significant improvement above the current iPhone model's 12-megapixel cameras. However, a telephoto lens for optical zoom or a LiDAR will apparently be offered exclusively on higher-end models. Apart from various sensors, the Pro Max variant is believed to contain a more prominent camera module that includes up to 5-6x optical zoom-enabled periscope lenses. One of the most significant differences is that the 2023 iPhones are expected to have a USB Type-C connection, rather than Apple's Lightning port found on prior models. This will make it simpler for consumers to charge their phones since they will only need to carry one USB-C charger for all devices. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.